everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing out a new mascara from BH Cosmetics, and this one is the Stellar Lash Mascara, you guys, which looks like this. So this is the packaging and this is how the box looks like. Now I haven't tried this mascara at all. It's going to be first impression together on camera with you guys, so I'm quite excited to see what this mascara is going to do. So here is the packaging. Looks gorgeous. That's how it looks like. Oh, look at that, it matches my nails. Awesome. So yeah, that is how it looks like, and let's open it and have a look. And here is how the wand looks like. Alright you guys, so before I begin, I'm going to jump into their website and just read a little bit about what this mascara is supposed to do before we begin, so we're on the same page here. So here it says, oh, by the way, this mascara retails for €11, and I got this one from Beauty Bay. Now let's get into the claims. It says, give your lashes a sky-high lift with Stellar Lash Mascara. The ultra black all-in-one formula boosts, lengthens, and separates lashes for dramatic volume that lasts all day without smudging, flaking, or fallout. So those are the claims, you guys, and I'm quite excited to give it a go. So yeah, all right, let's go ahead and open this. Should we smell it first? Actually, smells like normal mascara. Now let's put this one down and start applying this. By the way, you guys, if you're wondering about my eye look today, I have the video coming up very shortly on this look, so make sure that you have your notification turned on. And so far, I am not mad at this. Okay, she's good. Hold on, this is the hardest part, doing like this, but I'm gonna try my best. Alright, let's do the bottom and have a look. I always make funny faces when doing the bottom, but hey, we're gonna do what we're gonna do, right? Alright you guys, so this is of course the first coat. This is how it looks like. I have to say that looking at this, it looks alright, it looks good, it's not smudging, everything looks normal, it looks okay, it looks like a normal mascara. So so far so good. Now let's go for the second coat. Alright you guys, so you saw how this mascara over here applied. Of course, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you thinking of purchasing this or not? And if you already have it, how do you find it? Is it working out for you? For me, I have to say that it's okay. It's not like a wow, you know, but it looks okay. It did what it's supposed to do. You know, it kind of gave me volume, obviously, and I've only used 2 coats, and this is what you know, how my eyes looks like, and it doesn't look too bad. I love the packaging. I think it looks quite cute, and with this I did not notice any smudging at all. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous, and you can build it up to get more volume and more length, you know, according to how you want it to look. So yeah, this is how my eyes looks like, and I'm quite interested to hear your feedback, you guys. What do you think of this in the comment section below? When it comes down to, you know, to buying this mascara, if you haven't bought it already, I mean, you just have to ask yourself, you know, do you need it? If the answer is yes, then go ahead and get it. If you don't need it, if you have other mascaras that you love, then probably you don't need it. Like for me, I do love Essence mascaras so much. I have their whole entire line, and I use them a lot in my videos. One of my favorite mascara from them is this one over here. I love this mascara so much. So yeah, I really just wanted to give this one, you know, a go and see how it performs. So yeah, as I always say, I mean, what works for me may not work for you, or what works for you may not work for me. It's always a good idea to give things a try, and if it doesn't work, then you know you have to move on and try something else. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys found this video quite useful. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, join the family. Also do ring your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.